What up guys, this is your boy Alpha Metric, and today we're going to talk about the top 15 GoPro accessories for your GoPro action camera. Let's get started, shall we? So if you are new to this channel, welcome. In this channel we'll talk about all about camera related accessories, content creation and travel. So if you are interested, make sure you take a second and hit that subscribe button down below. That would be very appreciated. Alright guys, so let's without further ado, let's start with accessory number 1. So right in here we have all the accessories that I need in this little travel case. So the first accessory you should get is extra batteries. GoPro batteries will last you about 2 hours of recording, and having extra batteries will always come in handy, especially when you don't have any access to stop and charge your GoPro. So for accessory number 2, we have the GoPro battery charger for your extra batteries. So instead of charging it one at a time inside your GoPro, you can charge 2 batteries at once. I know getting this charger is a little bit on the expensive side compared to the other third-party chargers, so I will also recommend looking into those third-party chargers and batteries for your GoPro, which will be cheaper alternative and will actually save you some money. However, I always go with the GoPro ones, just to be on the safe side. For accessory number 3 is getting plenty of micro SD cards, and right in here I have all these micro SD cards. I recommend having SanDisk since they always work out good. I also have some Samsung's one, and I have never got any one of them corrupt yet, knock on wood. So for accessory number 4 is a selfie stick. I personally use the QuickPod Sport, and it has some nice reach up to 36 to 38 inches, and it comes with some nice levers here, and is very lightweight. I also use the GoPro El Grande pole. I like it because it comes already with the quick release system. It has also some good reach, just like the other one, and it feels great on the hand with the rubber all throughout the pole. But however, it has a weak point, which I already replaced this one, and is the ball head, which is made out of plastic, and if on rough sports it can break. So that's a weak point right there. So for extreme sports, I like to use the extreme or the sport, and which is more durable. And for regular downtown, I will use the El Grande. So for accessory number 5, I have this one right here. It always goes with me everywhere. It is the PG White Tag Suction Cup, and with these you can mount your GoPro on your car or any glass or side of the car and get different type of created angles. I also made a video about this suction cup, so if you're interested in this video, make sure to check it out. So for my accessory number 6 is the GoPro Jaws, and just like the suction cup, this accessory has become one of the essential items for me to take with my GoPro Hero 8 and 9. It comes with these quick release here on the Jaws itself, and you can attach this to poles, tables, or any wooden surfaces. And it also came with these uh, gooseneck they call it, and I can just attach it to on top of the jaws, and then I will have like different angles to where I can mount the GoPro. So it has been very essential for that. Okay, so for my accessory number 7, I believe, it is the bite mount right here. And this bite mount, I always leave it inside my GoPro, and it has been the best accessory I have got so far. So I can go from, example, I have my selfie stick, and you can attach it to it. So I can go from selfie stick, and then real quick just take it off and put it in my mouth and have like a POV shot in seconds. So I can do whatever I want and go back and use it on my pole or my suction cup or any other accessories that I wish to have. For accessory number 8 is this magnetic mount here, and I made these myself for the GoPro, and there has been places where I wish to have a magnet in order to attach my GoPro, so I decided to purchase this $5 magnet from Amazon, and then just use one of the 3M adhesive mount that came with my GoPro Hero 7 and just attach it right there. And so basically for $5 I made a mount for my GoPro that comes very handy from time to time. I know GoPro came now with the new magnet swivel mount, and however it's not as strong as this magnet. This magnet can hold like up to like 45 to 50 pounds, so very strong magnet. For accessory number 9 is the GoPro chesty, and with this mount I can have good POV shots. However, this accessory do not leave on my bag. I take them depending on what I'm doing. For example, if I'm going on a bike trail or jet skiing, I will use the chesty. But if I'm going on a run or an activity that will require me to be hand-free, I would choose accessory number 10, which would be the GoPro head mount. And with these, however, I do not use it most of the time myself, just because it's big and takes quite space outside my little case. So most of the time I'm just using the bite mount because it is most handy for POV shots. For accessory number 11 is a red filter, and with this filter it is amazing when you are going on a pool or beach, and as you go deeper on the beach or pool you lose the red color in the water, so everything just looks blue. So but with this little accessory you can bring back the red color, so the colors on the water shots look so much better. For my accessory number 12 is a little tripod here I have, and I mean self-explanatory, I mean what this tripod would do. However, I do have a quick release system right here that I can attach to my pole, and basically I can just go ahead and attach it real quick, and now I can have a shot in my GoPro. So comes very handy. this little tripod with the quick release. So for my accessory 13, what I have is this clamp right here, and I use this when I'm doing like extreme sport and I don't want to rely too much on the GoPro Jaws. Not saying that the GoPro Jaws is weak, but I just feel more secure by having this little clamp where I can just tie open and tie down, and I feel more secure with this. So for like when you're doing like canoeing or any pole that you have like you want your GoPro to be very secure, I use this clamp. For accessory number 14, and just like you've been seeing me taking these accessories from here, is the GoPro casing. And with these case, I can organize all my accessories and take them everywhere. Just put in a different bag if I want to be in a shoulder bag or take it as it is. So this right here is a must for organizing your GoPro's accessories. And the final accessories I would like to recommend is the floaty right here. And the funny story about this, I actually lost my GoPro Hero 7 Black in Aruba while wakeboarding, and because I didn't have this attached to my GoPro, I lost it. So this right here is an essential accessory that whenever I'm close to water, it just lives on my GoPro. So this is a must-have item if you like water activities like me. So that's it. That's all my 15 accessories. However, I do have some other accessories that are bonuses just in case. They are not essential, but they're great to have. So for number one, I have these power bank from Raft Power, and with this power bank you can create like long time lapse without the camera stopping. So this right here is good to have. Another bonus item is this torque thumb screw, and it is good when you're in water and you don't have like in the GoPro's thumb screw, which look like this. You don't have like much space to like grip. With this you can actually like grip very tightly. So this right here is a bonus item. I cannot go without it with this GoPro. Okay, so another bonus item is the sticky mount, and with this you can attach it anywhere. However, where you put it, that's where it will stay, but it is nice to have. Another bonus item is technically, since if I want to have like a chesty kind of looking shot, but I don't want to take a chesty because of the size, I have this big design clip on my backpack, and I have another one of these. And basically what I do is I have that on my strap, and then I take this other accessory right here with the big design plate, and I just attach it like so. So basically I have a chesty shot with the GoPro. So that's very handy if I need a chesty shot, and it's very small, and it fits on my little casing. Okay, so that is it. Actually, there is one more item which I use, which is with the tripod right here. So what I do is I have this ball head with the quick release, and then I take this little attachment, it's a plate with the GoPro, and I can technically have a tripod shorter than the selfie stick for my GoPro. So if I want to open it, have a low shot, and it's not water related, then I would use this little tripod. And that's it. That's it, guys. So that's all the accessories. I will also put in the description down below, so if you like any of these, you can check it out and order it. So that is it, guys. Those are my top 15 accessories and some bonuses there for my GoPro Hero 8 and 9, or for any action camera. As always, don't forget to smash the like button, as it always helps my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.